Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find 3 Easter eggs in EA Sports FC Mobile. Open the Easter pack and get the rewards. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started. So if you did not find out about the eggs or you cannot search the eggs, you can start with the store button and then tap the top events. So try to search the Easter pack, this one, purchase limit Easter pack. You can open this pack if you find the 3 eggs in this game. As you can see, I already get all the eggs, so you can find it by search in this heroes chapter or heroes event banner. You can tap the heroes. So I'm not tell you how about in this order. Maybe you can find the first egg not in this heroes chapter, but I want to tell you about how I can find the egg in order. So the first egg is from the flash freeze chapter of the heroes event. You can find the egg in here in the freeze the pitch challenge, and the second egg I can find in the MLS event, and in this era chapter I can find the second egg in here in the David Beckham picture, if I'm not forget, or Kaka picture. So you can find the second egg in MLS event. So the last egg I can find in mystery signings beside the milestone challenge or milestone rewards feature. I can find the egg in here. So let's get back. If you already collected all the eggs, you can open this Easter packs, this one. So the guarantee rewards to rank up player Javier Mascherano. You can rank up your player with OVR between 90 and 99. Premium Easter logo, ordinary Easter logo, and this is the Easter kit. You can unlock a new kit in here. So let's tap the eggs, let's claim our rewards, refill all, and we got all the eggs, all the reward of Easter packs. So good luck to find all the eggs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.